love dogs but you hate cats, and you only really ever talk to lads about your mother who's a pain in the ass. Your grizzly dad, is he the only one who's got your back? You hate girls when they harbor on the bar. It's like they beg for your attention and it never goes far. Buying 1, 2 drinks just to talk and you hate that. It's only worth talking if you're taking her back to your house with a dog and no fucking cats. Your annoying little sister you can't even bear to look at. Your mother's in the kitchen and your dad's outside. He's playing with his children and he's shouting for his wife. You hate the way she don't make room for your lives. You hate her face and his propensity to criticize. That's when you feel for your father at the handle of the slug. He hates cats and you're his dog. You love dogs but you hate cats. You only really ever talk to lads